Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click, man, and we're back with another reaction for you guys. Today we're gonna be looking at Drake's funniest moments. I know you guys listen to Drake's music, but some of you might not know this guy's actually a comedian too. He has those little. If you've seen some of his clips from courtside when he's like sipping from the drink, whatever, he just those stupid little stuff, man. He's a funny guy himself. So we're just gonna be looking at a comp of his funny moments, whether it's on IG or whatever the case is. And we're just gonna get into it, man. If you guys are new to the channel, man, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on post notifications. Drop a like and comment down below, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Man, I want to tell you, man, I got an RV for sale, man. And I was like, what does that have to do with what am I? And I was like, he's like, man, I'm in Shanghai, man. My friend got this RV for sale.
What is
I
he
was like,
talking
do you
about?
have any sort of idea of what's going on back home? Like, do you know that I dropped this album and we did like a million?
Oh, he's
He
talking
goes,
about his
"Yeah,
dad."
Man, I love it, man. I love it. And I was like, oh, what's your favorite song? And he's like, Drake, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. My service is not too good out here, man.
Honestly, Drake's dad do be moving like he's that type of nigga. Funny naturally, just the same, bro. Like that shit, that nigga is funny. Man said out of nowhere he can't hear him, but he know what he's saying, but he can't hear him. His service not great, so he can't relay his message.
I'm gonna get around to it, you know.
Oh, that's why Hotline Bling was popping.
Triple M Candy Yams would like to let me know that Drake looks like Voldemort with hair.
How do you feel
That
about
might be
rapper
it.
Drake refusing to acknowledge Caucasian athletes at the ESPYs?
I think it's baloney. Everybody should be treated equally, and
That just goes to show you how people are, man. Like that shit wasn't even true. None of that was an actual thing, but somebody is willing to comment and act like it was facts, and he's gonna stand up for some bullshit that didn't even happen. That
hopefully it'll probably impact his career a little bit too. In a negative way.
For one,
Oh,
you
okay.
got that. You have
I think
number
it's
one
stupid.
album. You have 20 songs in the Billboard Hot 100, Top 100. That's unbelievable.
It's been a slow week.
And yeah, I just don't enjoy it. It's not an enjoyable experience for me, and I don't like any of you.
Oh, this the old Drake.
Lonzo Ball is officially a Laker. Quiet, okay. I do want to say, LeVar Ball is proof of something that doesn't get enough attention in this country. The black father that's around too much. He's just there all the time. Doesn't miss a birthday, a game. It's around all the time.
I get a lot from my father, just
I have a picture of your father. I know this is a real picture of your
His
dad.
dad
This is a
just
real
looks
picture.
funny,
Did you take
too.
This picture? No.
I didn't actually. That's my dad.
That is your dad.
And
Bro.
that's like sort of a normal Tuesday afternoon.
Oh, the commercials do hit.
Listen, after a clutch shot, okay, the crowd wants to see you shaking hands, right? Yeah.
The fundamentals of
They
basketball.
want to know you're really friends.
Starting today, if you score but your hands
Will Ferrell is
stop,
stupid.
we will trade you.
Absolutely.
That's ridiculous. Excuse me? What?
This
Who's
guy.
talking?
Smart mouth over
Smart mouth. What's your name?
DeMar. DeMar.
Okay.
DeMar, I say it, the less I like it.
Yo.
Is this guy even a basketball player?
Shouldn't we be getting back on defense?
Oh my God.
Defense, is that your cousin DeMar?
Draymond Green stopped kicking people in the groin and moved on to something much worse, his own podcast.
He did not just roast Draymond like that. And this guy had the same face on that I had. No. Oh.
It's a tough listen. It's a tough listen. LeBron James recently went bald and social media had an absolute... Oh, sorry. This is a joke from 2007. We're going to
Oh my
keep it rolling.
God.
Cheers. Cheers to all your success, buddy.
Oh, that
Yes,
shit
thank you
whiskey.
so much.
No. No. I have the whole show I have to do. Yeah,
You're just
yeah.
great. Hi, I'm
That's
Drake.
a
This
joke.
week, I'll be the...
Hey, come do the promo sitting on my lap, baby.
I think I look kind of dumb sitting on your lap, though, no? It's like-
You think you got a choice?
Yo, this shit was funny, man. I just remembering it. Oh, he really used to do that shit.
Your summit is mine.
Yo, listen, I know the talks about
Is this Freak?
last year, you know, how we couldn't fly to England.
Oh, it's actually Drake. That shit's crazy. He looked like Freak just now.
But, man don't care about all that right now, bro, because you know what? We there. Awkward.
What the
Never
fuck?
have I ever hooked up with a fan on tour.
Oh, that's a setup.
I mean,
I'm being
what
honest.
is a fan? Like someone that just enjoys your, like,
Yeah, because you know.
You know, people were upset that I'm the host for the first ever NBA Awards because they say I'm a bandwagon fan. I just want to address that. You know, it hurts. I've said it
He is a
times,
bandwagon
it's not
fan.
true, it's ridiculous. I have 2 teams, okay? One from my hometown and whoever else is winning at the current time. That's it. 2 teams.
I'm like, I was a bartender in a past life. I'm just looking at myself right there, drinking out of it. That was a good moment. I was like a bartender in my past life, so I think I had like some sort of vodka concoction. It was phenomenal.
Were you really a bartender?
No, but in my
you
mind.
just in your mind you
yeah,
were.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Bro, it's so funny that this dance turned into something so trendy.
Perfect. Here are the changes.
I love changes.
When you say call me on my cell phone, just add device eligible for upgrade after 24 months.
Genius.
Oh, okay.
Genius.
I'm so glad. And after going places where you don't belong, add Mexico and Canada are not included.
I've told a lot of people I'm from Canada, but
I lied.
What's up, my boy?
Oh shit, this one is on Drewski's Lab.
Hey, you know what's in my cup too, twin? What is in my cup?
What is that? Simply.
What that is?
That's simply.
Oh, you got it, man. What you on, man?
With the hose, man. I'm
Mm.
with the hose.
Stop lying.
Nah, there's nobody here. It's just
What the fuck?
I was at
What
the
you
bar.
doing, man?
I'm at the bar by myself, man.
Yo, what?
It's one of those Drake nights.
Yo, what do you want, man?
I really got shit going on, man. It's really been downhill after the album drop. I'm not gonna lie for you. It's been slow motion.
How? You had the best album of the fucking last 10 years, didn't you?
It's been a bit of a downward spiral.
Speaking of
Fucking
Celtics,
lying ass.
congratulations to Isaiah Thomas. Yeah, that's right. Make some noise, please.
What the fuck, bro?
Isaiah is the latest to grace the cover of ESPN's Body That Everybody Has issue. It's just not an abnormally athletic bag. I have that bag. French Montana has that bag. Everybody's got that bag.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a regular
funny.
bag.
By Pascal Siakam.
Don't kill me.
Make some noise for James Harden, please. Legendary season, of course. I want to know who's your favorite MVP in NBA history.
Me.
Well, there are so many.
Okay, so we'll just wrap it there.
Oh, this commercial was actually good.
hi, I'm Drake, and I'll
Smile.
Never have I ever made out with someone twice my own age.
Madonna. I patted her. I pour you.
Yeah, those kind of vibes, you know.
See?
That's what I'm throwing.
I took the top out of Maybach. I took the top out.
I know what it is.
What's epic? Phone's epic.
Oh my.
Oh, that's when he drank out of that shit.
Wow.
What is this, for take care? Nigga didn't even give it a little wash or nothing. Yeah, dive that shit was hollow and just started leaking through. How's this the funniest moment?
That's crazy, man.
Good pressure here on the ball. Patrick Patterson, be active, get
Yo.
your hands up.
At the Raptors games, Drake is different funny.
Drake, right there, trying to help the cause. And a 5-second.
Almost in the man's ears, bro. I swear they tried to ban him.
I think Drake was calling that 5 seconds out there, man.
You know what you need to do though? We gonna get you out of all the deals you was in at one point, and we get you down to could have been.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I
That would
love
work.
That, man.
We get you in a room like this.
I would love that. I'm gonna put you on the
Get you-
phone with Jay
look,
Prince.
look. Hey, look, and you know the bathroom going stupid. Hey, but man, like I said, man, we put you in a room like this, though. What I tell you?
That's that lifestyle.
Yeah.
Let me see the smoke detector. Was that a smoke detector? God.
Yeah. You gotta know that, though.
Yeah,
These niggas together are stupid.
Yeah.
Super
Let me
easy.
see a TV. Let me see a TV. Let me see what I want to know what my lifestyle is gonna be like.
Now it's gonna be sitting on this little shit right here, man.
What the fuck?
I get you some light. I get you some light so you can see it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the glamorous lifestyle right there.
Don't fuck with us. Damn. I think we lost connection with him.
No, I think that nigga hung up.
Damn, man, we might have just lost the one we should have had.
That could have been.
Damn. Fuck, bro. Y'all think we lost him, or y'all think he gonna fuck with could have been, right? Man, that shit lame, man.
It sure is.
Y'all think we lost him?
Yes,
He
nigga.
fucking with it.
What is that? Is that a lizard? A frog? Hell no, bro.